Hi everyone. In this video I'll teach you how to create a modern travel poster design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. I have these colors which I use for this design. Go to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle of artboard size. Apply the color to it using the eyedropper tool. Go to the Object menu, Lock, and Selection. Go to the Rectangle tool again and draw a rectangle. Apply a different color from the background. Click on the Free Transform tool and select the Perspective Distort tool. And follow the process. Rotate its corners. And place it here. Go to the Object menu, Path, and Offset Path. Use these settings and hit OK. Go to the Edit menu and Cut. Then paste it back. Repeat the process. Select and right-click on them, Arrange, and click on Bring to Front. Apply the background color to the smaller one. And follow the process for others. Now go to the File menu and Place. Select the image, and place. Link to this image mentioned in the description of the video. Send it to backward. Hold the Shift button to add the rounded rectangle to the selection. Right-click on them and choose Make Clipping Mask. Go to the Direct Selection tool and adjust its size and position. Now, place the airplane image. Assets link is available in the description. Go to the Ellipse tool and draw it. Apply the gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Bring the airplane to the front. Select all, right-click on them, and choose Group. Go to the Type tool and type the text. Follow the process. Now create a circle using Ellipse tool. Apply the green color to it. Follow the process. I have these icons, which I use. Select the phone icon and place it in the green circle. Make a copy of it and change its color to red using the recolor options. Then I have this cloud PNG, place it in the design. Follow the process. Finally, create a rectangle of artboard size and apply the gray color to it. Go to the Effect menu, Texture, and Grain. Use these settings and hit OK. Change the blend mode to multiply, and reset the opacity to 30%. Unlock the selection. Make a copy of the artboard. Select and change the blue theme using recolor options. And relink the image. Place them here. And that's it. If you have any question, please ask in the comments section. Thank you for watching.